Welcome back to Kaboodly. I'm Stephanie. Have you been struggling with money lately? If so, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you simple and easy ways to budget and even save money. So if you have 4 minutes, stay with me. First, I'll show you 3 apps you can use to get control over your money. Next, I will teach you the simple secrets of managing your money. And finally, I'll go over how to easily cut expenses without sacrificing too much. Let's dive in. First up, budgeting apps. These handy tools can transform the way you manage your money. With just a few taps on your phone, you can keep track of your spending, set savings goals, and even get reminders for upcoming bills. We live on our phones, so why not use them to manage our money? It's convenient, efficient, and can help you stay on top of your finances without much effort. Here are 3 killer apps to get you started. These apps are designed to cater to different needs and preferences, so you can choose the one that fits you best. First, we have Mint. This app is your all-in-one financial hub. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive overview of their finances. Link all your accounts, track spending, and even get alerts for bills. Mint makes it easy to see where your money is going and helps you stay on top of your financial obligations. It's a no-brainer for beginners. The user-friendly interface and detailed insights make it a great starting point for anyone new to budgeting. Second, take a look at YNAB, You Need a Budget. Perfect for those who want a bit more control over their finances. YNAB is all about proactive budgeting. It's all about giving every dollar a job. This method ensures that you are intentional with your money, allocating funds to specific categories and goals. Plus, it's great for building good financial habits. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you can develop a deeper understanding of your spending patterns and make more informed financial decisions. Finally, perhaps try Pocket Guard, simple and straightforward. This app is ideal for those who want a quick and easy way to manage their money. It shows you exactly how much you have for spending after bills and savings. No more guessing or overspending. Now let's talk strategies. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses. It's about making smart financial decisions that align with your goals. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Sounds weird, right? But it works. This means prioritizing your savings before anything else. As soon as you get paid, stash some cash in your savings or investment accounts. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid every month. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. This simple guideline can help you allocate your income effectively. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings or debt repayment. It's simple and effective. By following this rule, you can ensure that you're covering your essentials, enjoying some of your income, and still saving for the future. You'll be surprised how fast your savings grow. Consistent saving, even in small amounts, can lead to significant financial progress over time. Okay, let's get real about cutting expenses. Sometimes it's the small, everyday expenses that add up the most. Do you really need that third streaming service? Evaluate your subscriptions and see if there are any you can live without. Or the daily $5 coffee? Small changes add up. Consider making your coffee at home or finding cheaper alternatives. Try cooking at home more often or finding free entertainment options. Not only will this save you money, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience. And what about making extra cash? Increasing your income can significantly boost your savings and help you reach your financial goals faster. Side hustles are where it's at. Whether it's freelancing, selling stuff online, or driving for a rideshare app, there are plenty of ways to boost your income. Every bit helps. Lastly, set clear goals. Having specific financial goals can keep you motivated and focused. Want to travel? Buy a car? Whatever your goals are, having a clear plan can make them more achievable. Save for an emergency fund? An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses and can provide peace of mind. Write it down and break it into smaller and manageable steps. This makes your goals less overwhelming and more attainable. Seeing your progress will keep you motivated. Tracking your achievements can provide a sense of accomplishment and encourage you to keep going. So, there you have it. Budgeting and saving isn't some impossible task. With the right tools and strategies, you can take control of your finances and achieve your goals. The key is to start now and stay consistent. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more life knowledge.